Welcome everybody, as all are welcomed here. We are doing a quick unboxing for Muggles of a product I already own one of, and I wanted to get a second one. I use this camera for my foot box cam on my racing broadcast on Twitch, and now I will also be using one for my hand cam. The reason I'm choosing this, it's inexpensive. I can move my nicer camera off to do something else that has a better microphone. These ones have microphones, but I don't use them anyway, so for $69.99, it's the way to go, I think, for just a hand and foot cam, just like a simple static camera. So anyway, the reason I wanted to do this unboxing is because it's really weird the way it's packaged. Here's the package. I opened it a little bit, and boom! They just have that sucker like the eye of Sauron looking right at you. I think it's hilarious, so I wanted to show that. So in the box, it's 1080, 30 frames per second, supposedly. They've got the articulation, which I like a lot. You can move this thing around a couple of different ways. It looks like it might come with a stand, maybe. Maybe that's why it's hooked in like this, because it's probably hooked up to the stand already. Nope, it's not. So just unbox it like that. Got your wiring right here. Nice little camera. It's got a 360 rotation here. It's got a articulation here. Oh yeah, nice and tight. Oh yeah, it's because it's laced up. There's a screw mount here for a stand if it doesn't come with one, which it doesn't look like it does. So we'll just go ahead and leave this right here so y'all can see it. Here in my little workshop here. You see we're getting ready for Barber Motorsports Park there. So other things in the box are a lot more cardboard and a lot more cardboard. So that's it. There's our box. Like I said, a quick short unboxing of our c615 portable HD web camera, 360 rotation. It's got a hard mount for a stand or something like that, which is cool for your racing rigs or your stuff like that. It's got 360 rotation, as you can see there, and it's 1080, 30 frames per second. There's our guy. Fits about the palm of your hand. Look at that. Nice. This one's going to go behind my right shoulder, where you would normally see images from my steering wheel area. And then we'll take that camera and move it for some cool RC car building. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you later.